Clementine housemates sa isang obstacle course at para magtagumpay, kailangan makatawid silang lahat sa isang pader sa loob lamang ng 10 minuto.
The Lucky 17 Squad! Yun na yung time na ipakita nyo na kayo ay mga malulupit. Papasa ba kayo?
Yes, Captain, yes!
Unang sumabak si Marco sa hamon ng obstacle course.
Okay, ulit.
Marcos,
Set nyo, set nyo, set nyo. Go, 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 go!
slow, Marcos, slow, slow. Oh my.
Very nice.
Slow, Marcos, slow this one. Slow this down. Slow it down. Slow it down.
Balik, 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 balik.
Slow it down.
Balik, 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 balik.
Keep it low. Low down.
Go, Marcos.
Go, Marco. You can do it. You can
Slow.
do it.
Keep those feet down. Keep
Your
those feet
feet
on the ground.
Yeah, your feet on the ground.
Edward, get ready, get ready. Balance with me.
Sit.
Okay, go.
Go, go, go. Go, Marco. You can do it.
Actually, hindi po ako nahirapan sa mga training, sa mga obstacles, hindi po ako nahirapan.
Go, go.
Go, Edward.
Go, go.
Slow. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Your hands, your hands. Oh, good. You do it.
Go.
You do it, leader.
Faster, faster.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Christian, you can do this, bro. Let's go. Nice one, Christian. Nice one, nice one.
Yes.
Go.
Keep those feet low. Keep those feet low. Head on the ground. That's it, Christian. That's it.
Go, go, go.
Let's go. Let's go. That's my boy. That's my boy. Let's go.
Go, five.
Come on, Viper. Let's go.
Parang yung grip ko po hindi na masyadong matibay. Kaya natakot po ko na baka mahulog.
Clear your legs with it. Yeah.
Good thing po na iraos ko naman po yung sarili ko doon.
Down. Down.
Go, go. Nice one, Viper.
Go, Viper. Kaya mo yan. Down, 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 down.
Touch. It's okay,
Viper.
Pinaka nahihirapan po ako sa obstacle course kasi I had to repeat kasi natamaan ko po yung barbed wire. Kaya doon po ako natagalan, kuya.
Let's go. That's my girl. Let's go.
Masaya kasi natry ko po yun. United po kami.
Go, y'all. Let's go. Nice one, y'all.
Yeah!
Guys, Baba, your side. Drag your legs. Chin on the ground.
Next.
Let's go. Nice jump. Next, next.
Go, Ate Maymay.
Nice one, Maymay.
I love you.
Nice, my man. Nice, my man. Nice.
Nice one.
Nice, my man.
Go.
Slowly, my go.
Yan.
Drag your legs. My man. Go, my man. Keep on.
Go.
My man.
No. Not like this.
Go, Kisan. Kisan.
Go, let's go, go. Mark, we got sure.
Slow down.
Relax, Kisan.
Slow down. Focus.
Yung paa.
Go, baby, go. Go.
Hindi ko po kalakasan yung physical na activities. Gustong-gusto ng isip mo, gustong-gusto ng puso mo, pero yung katawan mo, kahit anong i-push mo sa kanya, hindi po magawa.
Okay, balik. Sige, pwede ba yan? Kaya mo yan. Focus. Cheer nyo.
Kailangan yung tulong nyo.
No, boys. Yung girls ang mag-a-assist sa kanya.
Go. That's 30
Yan.
minutes.
Oh, alayin nyo. Huwag mo palas-palas.
Yan!
Go!
Gusto ko na ibibigay ko talaga yung best ko na mapantayan yung energy ng lahat kahit hindi po ako may kalakasan sa strength.
Yan!
Matapos makatawid ni Kisses sa obstacle course, hinarap ng housemates ang kanilang huling hamon kung saan kailangan nilang makasampa sa isang mataas na pader.
Okay. Catch it and go. Next one. Up. Look at Dola. Hold on to our stool. Tabi kayo. All right. 1, 2, 3, up. Over. Go. You're next. Let's go. There you go. Christian, stay on there. Go. Up.
Sabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang yung last kasi mahirap yung last lang na tatalo na walang tulong.
Yeah, wait. Let's go. Hold right down here. Hold. Go. Yeah, now go. Go. Over. Good job.
Your time is 8 minutes and 39
We did good kasi naniniwala namin sa isa't isa.
Matapos ang hamon, nagsalo-salo ang lahat sa tanghalian.